not everyone went to this place because it's a bit tricky to go there. I mean, like us, yeah, as a foreign here in this country, not everyone went there when they come in the UK. So at least if I tour you, you will be appreciated with it. Okay, we are nearly there. It's about half an hour. But then they are now not getting there. And look at that. Yeah, look, getting there. Yan, tumutubo na po yung kanilang dahon. Yan, look at that. Just beautiful. Yan. Imagine nyo po yung layo. Pag malayong ganyan, yan po ang hitsura. Malayo po yan. Isu-zoom ko po para makikita ho ninyo. Ano ho? Yan. Yan. O, diba? Makita. Malinaw po. Yan. O, diba? That's the view out there. Yung mga white po na sa field, those are ships. Okay? Hope you enjoy watching it, guys. Sorry, I'm wearing mask, so it's a bit like my voice is a bit like blur. But yeah, for the safety reason, kasi maraming taong nagpupunta rin po dito. So, we need to be safe. Kaya nagwe-wear po kami ng mask. Okay? Thank you for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. So this is Devil's Dyke. Okay? It's a viewpoint, they called. Yan. Haha, yung anino ko. O, diba ang tangkad ko? Naging giant na ako ngayon. Yan si Briton. Naka-mask din siya. Ayaw niyang hindi magmamask. So yeah, thank you so much guys for supporting my video all the time, and hope mag-i-enjoy po kayo, and subaybayan niyo pa rin po ang aking mga videos na next na i-upload. At hindi ho ako magsasawang ipapakita ko ho sa inyo yung mga magagandang lugar dito sa UK. Thank you for watching guys. Thank you so much. Bye! So sunset's here. Here you go. Yan. What a beautiful one. Look at our shadow. Jaron! You've got it? Yan, that's the beauty. Out ko. Yan. Look at that, guys. So, ganon ko siya ulit. Yan. There you go, guys. That's a sunset. Yan. Oh, how beautiful is it? There you go. How lovely is that? Yan. Nawawala na po siya. Unti-unti na po siyang talagang yan, nawawala na po yung araw. There you go. At least nasaksihan po natin lahat yung paglubog po ng araw. Okay? Yan, wala na po siya. Yan, and exactly 5:35 in the evening here in UK. I mean, afternoon, 5:35. Pasensya na po kayo, nalilito ako sa oras minsan. Ganyan pagka hindi na alis ng ng bahay. So here you go. Yan. Wow. Okay. Hope you enjoy it. Bye guys. See you around. Bye.